Today I am going to teach you about the breadth first algorithm. The breadth first algorithm is the very commonly used algorithm for graph traversal, and it is used to find out the strongly connected component and as well as to find out the shortest path. In breadth first algorithm, I shall explain you. First, I shall write down the algorithm on the board. After that, I shall explain you, and after that, I shall take an example, and with help of which I shall explain you how does it work. So first, I am writing the breadth first algorithm. So it is a little bit longer algorithm, but it is very easy. So algo first for vertex reach provide y by v. This is v. Blank. So this is the algorithm for the BFS, your breadth first search, and it may appear a little bit lengthy, but it is very easy to understand. First of all, what we do in a graph, we take a source vertex. Source vertex is represented by the symbol S, and in the graph, if there are U vertex, that is the set, except the vertex from where we start, we consider we perform an operation that for rest of the nodes which are not considered as the source, which are not considered as a source, what we do, we color is at a white. Here white color represents that that node has not been discovered, and after that we assign the value distance of each vertex that is not discovered is considered to be the infinity, and the pi u, pi represents the value, the parent node or the predecessor node. So all the node from where you start, except the node from where you start, are considered at the distance of infinity, and their parents are nil, means if they are not connected, they are undiscovered, so their color is white. So first of all the node except the one node from where you start are colored white, their parents are nil, and their distance is infinity. Infinity means they are not they have not been discovered. So all these four lines represents that the u is the for each vertex u that belongs to Vg, except the vertex from where you start. Then from the vertex that you starts is color S. The starting vertex is colored as gray node. Here there are three colors. White color means the node is undiscovered. The gray color means the node is being processed. And the color black means the node is completely processed. So here when you start with the node, it means that you are starting your processing from that node, so that node is colored as gray. Rest of the node are of white color and they are undiscovered, and the node from where you start is colored as gray, and the rest of the nodes in the graph which are undiscovered are of white color and at distance infinity, but the node from where you start is colored as gray color. Its distance is 0 because this is the starting point, and its parents is nil. Since this is the first node from where you start, so its parents is also nil. Pi represents the predecessor, and q tends to phi. Is you start a set q that is an empty set, and I shall explain you what you do in this set. You start an empty set, and first you put first element s into it. First, basically here we are using a q data structure. Here the first node that from where we start is placed in the queue, and so we use in queue operation. The rest of the element which occur through the node one initial node will be placed in the queue, and after they shall be processed one after than another, and after execution they will be dequeued from the same queue. So until the queue array become empty, what we do, we do u is equals to dq q. For we keep on dequeuing q until we get a final empty queue. And what after q, after when you find out, start with node add, what you do for each vertex that belongs to the graph, you find out the node adjacent to it, and after when you find out the node, or if you discover a node that is of white color and that has not been previously discovered, is colored, and means if it has not been discovered, if you find any node with white color, then what you do, you color it as a gray. You change the color of the white node into the gray color, and what you do, you in place of the infinity, you place the value dv is equals to du plus 1. It means when the node was not discovered, in that time, at that time the distance was infinity, but when you discover a node, then what you do, you place a value du plus 1. Suppose you start from the starting node, the starting node is at value 0, then the node discovered through the starting node will have a value 0 plus 1 1, and the node that are discovered through that node will have a value 1 plus 1 means 2. So when you replace the value dv is equals to du plus 1, and after that you set the pi u is equals to u, and you set the node through which it was discovered is set as the predecessor or parent of that node. After doing this, when you completely find out or process all the adjacent node to a node, then that node is sorry, after doing this, you enqueue that element. When you discover an element, you enqueue that element into an queue, and you keep on, and when all the adjacent node, because here you for every adjacent node of u, when each adjacent node of a node has been placed in the queue, then that node exits from the queue, or we say that the we after that we place color it as a black. So in BFS, what we do, we consider, accept the starting point, we color all the node as the white color, means undiscovered, their distance is infinity and their parents are nil. We consider the source node as we start with value 0 and there is no predecessor of the starting node, and the value distance value is equals to 0. And whenever we find a node adjacent to a node, then we color it as a gray, and after coloring it as a gray, we compute the distance by adding 1 to the distance of the parent node. It may be clear or it may be slightly confusing to you, but with an help of an example, I shall explain you, and that will appear very simple to you. So I am rubbing this one, and after that I shall take an example with help of which I shall explain the process. So basically, summarizing all these, there are three colors of node: white, gray and black. White means undiscovered, gray means you have discovered that node but you have not processed all the adjacent node, and black means you have discovered the node and you have processed all the adjacent node. So three color options, and distance is equals to the distance of the parent plus 1, right? So I shall take an example with help of which I shall explain you. Okay. So here's the example. So there I'm drawing a graph, directed graph B. Sorry, this one is D, B, C. So here I have drawn a figure, and I am going to travel this graph with help of breadth first search. Here all the nodes are considered as all the vertices are covered. Here I choose A as the starting point of the graph. Suppose this is a directed graph, I can implement this over also undirected graph also, but I am taking the example of directed graph. And the data structure that is used in it is the queue. So first I shall start an empty vertex q is equals to 5. And since I have chosen a vertex as A element, so I shall input an A element. So Q I shall start with element A, vertex A. When I start with vertex A, then this value is equals to, I am parallel drawing a diagram that is equals to 0. Okay. I am writing down just the distance of that node, each node. Here A at distance 0, okay, because I have considered this node as the starting point, and rest of the node will be at distance of infinity, okay. All the node will be at distance of infinity, and all of the node except the node A will be of color white. Will be of color white. D. So all these nodes are of color white. These are of color white. Okay, this is white. A, B, C. This node is of color. Sorry, this graph is. This node is C. Right. C is of white color. E is of white color. White color. White color. W means white. W means white. ठीक? Okay. So at the starting point, this is of gray color. G means gray color. G, I am writing a small. Uh, G means gray, right? And B means black, right? So at the starting point, since I have chosen A as a starting vertex, so its distance is equals to 0 and rest of the vertex are at value infinity. Okay, and their color is white. Now I shall discover, since in the queue there is a single element, I shall discover what are the elements that are adjacent to A. Since this vertex is being processed, so this the color of the source vertex is gray. After that, the adjacent vertex of A are B, F, and B, F, and C. Through A, I can assess ये distance 0, B, F, sorry, B, C, and F. These nodes were at distance infinity, but now the distance of these nodes will be computed again. So this node is 0 and this is the parent of these three nodes. So the value of these node will be the 1 plus 1, the parent's value. The parent's value is equal to 0. So all these node distance would be equals to 0 plus 1 means 1. I am writing this distance, and this node, as we have processed or discovered all the node adjacent to node A, so this will convert from gray to black. Okay, this will convert from gray to black, right? Or gray to black, right? After that, we shall find out what are the nodes that are these node will convert into gray color, gray. Sorry, as I am writing this way, gray. This will convert into gray, and this will convert into gray color, right? After this, when I process this node B, and when a node is completely processed, then it is dequeued. And when a node is completely processed, then it is converted into black color and it is dequeued from the queue. So next in the queue, the next element in the queue will be B. So the node adjacent to B are node D and C has been already been discovered. So there is the node D and B will get out of this queue. So the node will be C, F and D. 1, 1, and distance of D would be equals to the value of the parent. These will be at value 1, 1 and 1, right? Because 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1. And the value of D will be equals to 0, 1 plus 1 means at distance 2, right? Now this node will be also colored as gray, and the node B. The node B has been processed. So I am marking the black node with color like this. Double circle. This node has been processed, colored as black. Black or symbol is like this. Okay, double circle. I am marking this as a black. And now the B has discovered all its nodes, so it will be also colored as black. Right? After this, the next node in the queue is, and it will be dequeued. So out is, I am marking this out A, here out B, right? The next element is C. Through C, we can found no new element. So simply we shall dequeue C, because through C this is a directed graph and no new node can be discovered through the vertex C. So we shall simply eliminate that node, and simply we shall remove C from this Q. Okay. After removing this, the next element is F. The next element is F. So the next element F, through F we can discover no new node. Through F we can discover no new node because all the node, and sorry, here C has been processed and it will be colored as black. Okay, this will be colored as black. Okay, finally, so this node, there is no node we can search from F that has not been discovered, so this will be converted into a black color and simply this will be simply eliminated. So after this, the Q will contain out F, and the only element left in the Q will be D. So the next element D, through D we can find out no new component and no vertex. So D will also be eliminated through the vertex, and this will be an empty array. So through this vertex we shall highlight the vertex and with a double arrow. Okay, and this one. Okay, so we have found that in this graph, these are the vertex which are strongly connected in graph, and these are portion are not accessible through the source node A. So this is the breadth first traversal, and in this way we can find out the strong components of the graph as well as the shortest path also through a given vertex. So now we shall discuss the what will be the complexity of the BFS. For considering the complexity of the vertex, there was a while loop. Since each vertex is processed one, so what will happen? I am rubbing this page. After that, I shall discuss. Okay. Says each vertex is processed one and complexity. And after when we process a certain vertex, the time to consume a vertex depends upon the degree of it. So for each vertex, we shall compute, suppose degree of the vertex plus 1 for I is equals to V. The complexity will be equals to, since it is processed for each vertex and each process is processed only once, we do not revisit a vertex. Means if we have discovered a vertex, we do not rediscover it. So at least for each vertex we shall run it for the V times, and after that for completely processing a vertex, it depends upon the degree of the vertex and plus 1, because for each vertex you shall completely vertex, after that you shall color it as a black. So this will be equals to du plus 1. Now computing all this, since there is a vertex, so this will be equals to I is equals to 1 to V du plus V, because since we are processing for each vertex, this will be same as number of vertices. So this would be equals to 2V plus sigma I is equals to 1 to V du. Now we know that the degree of the graph is equals to twice of the number of edges. So we can say that this is equals to 2V plus 2E, because the total sum of the degree is equals to twice the number of edges, because each edge is computed as two-sided connection. Now we can take common as V plus E. So this can be computed that this is equals to theta V plus E is equals to V plus E. So the complexity of this is equals to V plus order of V plus E. So that's all about the breadth first search. So summarizing all these, there are three color options: white, gray and black. White for undiscovered nodes, gray for the node that is being processed, and that is not completely processed, and black for node whose all the adjacent vertices has been discovered, and after that it is colored as white and it is dequeued from the queue. The data structure used in this is the queue, and the complexity is theta v plus e. That's all about it. Thank you.